wish to discuss very briefly my oral care routine, and I hope you can pick something up. So the first things first that I start as soon as I wake up, even before I brush my teeth or drink water, is to practice something known as oil pulling. Oil pulling is India's gift to the world, where we take like a tablespoon of oil and we swish it in the mouth for about 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how much you can hold without feeling like you are dying or you're out of breath. And basically what it does is, so ideally I prefer using extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil, the same oil that I would use for cooking. That is exactly the same oil I would use to swish my mouth with, and it's antibacterial. There is, a chunk of population who is going to like it, and then there are some people who will be against it because there is not enough science, research and evidence. But if you just look at the coconut oil and the kind of benefit it offers and for how long we've been using it, I really believe it works. Especially for me, in my opinion, it definitely works. So when it comes to decaying, when it comes to plaque, when it comes to dysbiosis of oral microbiome, or when you just look at bad breath and bleeding gums and all of these stuff, I really believe that it helps. And ideally I prefer coconut oil over vegetable oil because of the omega-3 to 6's ratio. So your omega-3s usually act as anti-inflammatory as compared to omega-6, which would be inflammatory in nature. So we want to reduce the inflammation, and it takes away the toxins. It works with the fat soluble toxins, and your body can just attract it all and you can just spit it out. So you're never supposed to drink the oil, you're not supposed to swallow it, and you're not supposed to just spit it out in about 5 minutes. So you take the oil and then you slowly build your way up, but you just have to put it in your mouth and swish it. Once you are done doing the oil pulling, you spit it out, you go with your regular brushing your teeth. It's not like if you're doing oil pulling you have to skip brushing your teeth and scraping your tongue. You still need to brush the teeth, and you can scrape your tongue, you can do the flossing, but oil pulling is always followed by brushing your teeth, especially like I have not seen someone doing otherwise. So that's the point about oil pulling. Not to make this a very complicated long video, but oil pulling, if you like it, if it helps you, it's great. I personally love it. I love the way it makes me feel. I love the cleanliness you feel when you wake up in the morning. So I definitely go by it, and you want to do it right after you wake up and not before your bed. So that's one key point. After this, I will brush my teeth. The toothpaste that I've been loving currently has to be this one, and you can look at it and you can tell that I have overused it. But this is by Arata. It's Arata. It's all natural, vegan, cruelty free, no toxic stuff toothpaste, and it has peppermint, cinnamon and chamomile. I love these ingredients. I love the flavor, and of course you can imagine how it would smell. So I definitely love this, recommend it, highly recommend it. Even if you're traveling and you don't want to rely on the cheap plastic that they give you at the hotels, you want to carry your own toothpaste, and this is very easily, you can like very easily carry this one. So that's there. The toothbrush that I am using these days is this one. I usually use the charcoal one by Terra brand. I will be putting the link below, but this is something that is given to me by my doctor. If you can see, you can't see, but it's written Dr. Hemang Zala. So he's my dentist in Ahmedabad, and he says that the green color that you are seeing, the day the green color goes away, you know that your toothbrush is of no use and you are supposed to throw it away and dump it. So this is the reason I've been trying it. And if you are in Ahmedabad, you can just Google his name and you will find it. Otherwise, using charcoal based toothbrushes are really amazing. I've been using it for a long time, so I do know. And of course, then scraping your tongue. Now at least 4 to 5 days in a week I would use either of the 3 products that I'm about to talk about. So number 1 being massaging my teeth with an essential oil. So this is clove essential oil by the brand Anvea. It's 100% natural and pure. I also love Meraki when it comes to essential oils. So basically I will take like 3 to 4 drops of the clove essential oil. I will take some cold pressed mustard oil or sesame oil, the same oil that you can use for cooking, and I'll just make a nice paste out of it, and I'll just massage my gums very slowly, swiftly, gently, and then I will brush my teeth. So I will use this one thing. Otherwise I will only use cold pressed mustard oil with some sea salt. Even that really helps with it. Just do it once and see how refreshed and fresh your mouth is going to feel. So clove essential oil, peppermint essential oil, chamomile essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, all of these things really work well. But when you just look at the oral hygiene and health and the bleeding gums and taking care of the cavity and stuff, I really believe clove beats everything else. So that's always my number 1 priority. And then again, just doing a simple, if you don't have essential oils, you don't have to be fancy. The only thing is with essential oil, you always want to dilute it with a carrier oil. So your flaxseed or cold pressed mustard, sesame, even coconut oil works. So mixing them together and then massaging your gums really helps. Then there is a product that I use. This is by Isha Life. It's Dant Prabha. It's their special tooth powder, and I think it really works. If you look at the ingredients, it's bubble and alam viluru and safflower. So they say that it works with gingivitis, halitosis, sensitive tooth, caries tooth pain, and all of these things. So you should. So what I do is I will take. So there is a cap here, and you just have to like rotate it. So at one point it has to open. Yeah, do you see? So you can just take the powder out and just put some essential oil and put some carrier oil and mix it just in your finger or in your palms, with your fingers in your palms, and then you can just massage your gums. And I personally really love it. So I have been relying on this one for at least more than, I don't know, 6 to 8 weeks now. So I really love it. That is why my essential oil is nice and packed, because I've been using this one lately. But this definitely helps. Now, one thing that I don't miss out on usually before I am going to bed is flossing my teeth. Now, flossing is something that people, I'm just trying to look for my floss, but flossing is something that people are like, oh, it's not needed, it's not necessary, just skip it. But believe me, even if you brush your teeth and after brushing your teeth you will floss the teeth, you will see the kind of food particles, and let's say you've eaten a dhania that is going to be stuck in your teeth, and you will be sleeping with it all night, and the bacteria can work on it. So it just gets really ugly soon, and it gets ugly really fast. So you really want to take care of your gums, you want to take care of the spaces in between your teeth, you want to visit your dentist regularly, you want to use a good non-toxic toothpaste. I just suggested a brand. I also love Dr. Smith's. There's another one, Desert Essence. Chiku for children is very good, and I personally use it as well. So I really like its flavor. So for people or children who are very fancy and they don't like using a regular toothpaste, you can always use Chiku for them. It's very kid friendly. And just doing the basics like flossing and oil pulling and massaging and brushing and scraping your tongue at least 2 times in a day. So at least brushing, flossing and scraping my tongue. These 3 things are something that I do at least twice in a day. I just really like the way it makes me feel like just fresh, and my teeth also looks great, so I'm pretty happy with that. I also visit my dentist regularly. I will get the teeth cleaning done at least once in 6 months, just to make sure that it's all safe and good, because we always separate the body. We like to separate everything. So you visit your salon, you will go and get your hair waxed, you will go and check up for your liver and kidney and your blood reports, but we always miss out on the mouth because it's not that important. And that is the reason I did this series, that it is important, it's a vital part, it's extremely important, and that's where your gut health begins and does not ends. So just taking care of these things really helps. And if you have any more questions, I would love to answer them for you down below. The dental floss that I use is by the brand Unifloss. I found it. Yeah, that's the dental floss that I use. So you just basically have to pick one. It's not reusable, so you just use this and then you throw it away. You just take it and you put it in between your teeth and floss it, and you would be amazed to see what comes out. You don't want to see. So the more you floss, the healthier your teeth will be eventually, and that's what I use. It's very easily available in any pharmaceutical store. Okay, your regular medicine shop is also going to have it. So yeah, that's all. I hope this helps you. Have a great day, have a great oral health, and take care of yourself. Bye.